How to get the latest version of Apollo Group TV. I'm going to tell you how to get the most up-to-date version of Apollo Group TV without falling for shady links. Apollo Group TV isn't on the App Store or Play Store. So here's what you do. Go straight to their official website, apollogroup.tv. Log in, go to the install section and pick the version for your device. Android, Fire Stick, Smart TV, or iOS through Test Flight. If you're on Android or Fire Stick, don't forget to enable installs from unknown sources. That's key. And since Apollo doesn't auto-update, you'll have to check the site once in a while and reinstall the new version manually. One last thing, do not download from random APK site. If it's not from the official site, skip it. Stay sharp, stay safe, stay updated.